In this video, we're going to look at how to find the equation of a line in standard form. Now, before continuing with this video, I highly recommend that you know how to find the equation of this line using slope y-intercept and x-intercept y-intercept form. So the general form for standard form is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are an element of the real. What that means is that a, b, and c can take on any value. However, there is a relationship between a, b, and c. In other words, you can't just give them random values. So often standard form is a result of algebraic manipulation as opposed to pulling it directly off the graph. So if we start with, let's say, our slope y-intercept form, y equals -2 over 5x plus 2, I just want to rearrange this into the form ax plus by equals c. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5, so we get 5y equals -10x over 5 plus 10. Simplify that fraction, so 5y equals -2x plus 10. So therefore we get 2x plus 5y equals 10. And that's standard form, perfectly acceptable. Now, if over on this other side, let's do this in red, we take what we learned as xy-intercept form and rearrange it to standard form. Let's see what we get. So we're going to multiply, in this case, both sides by, well, we could multiply both sides by 10, but let's pretend I didn't find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 2. So instead I multiply both sides by 20. So we get 20x over 5 plus 20y over 2. And then what I'm going to do is I will reduce the fraction, so I get 20 is equal to 4x plus, sorry, should be a 20 here, 10y. And what I see now is that I'm already in standard form. But notice the difference. The standard form in blue has a, b, and c as 2 is a, b is 5, and c is 10. But over on the red, we have a as 4, b as 10, and c as 20. And the question might be, well, these are different, aren't they? But in fact, they're the same. The difference is that in this step here, we didn't find the lowest common multiple to reduce the fraction. Now, that doesn't mean that the answer is incorrect. It just means that it's not in simplest form. So the last step when you're in standard form is always check if a, b, and c have a common multiple. And in this case, they all can be divided, a common factor. And in this case, they can all be divided by 2. So if we divide each of them by 2, we get 2x plus 5y equals 10, and we're done. Standard form is particularly useful, again, when we're doing more algebraic work. Good luck.